inside of your wrist. This tells everybody you've checked in with admissions. There is a map by the back door that tells you where everything in the garden's at. Thank y'all so much for coming. Have fun, buddy. Thank you.
Ooh, look how pretty. That's gonna be real pretty when it gets dark. Maybe we can stay when it starts to be sunset. It's gonna be a while, but. Oh, look, Nico. Who's that?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. How neat. Yeah? Huh? Okay. More. Nico, Dada's gonna get a picture of us. Ooh. I like being here during the day. I don't think I've been here during the day before.
Oh, look at those flowers. They're cool.
They're dancing.
Those flowers are cool.
Ooh.
Those flowers are cool.
That's so cool.
I love it. I love it, Nico. Beautiful. Do you want to get out?
Yeah, what's some something?
Coins? Do you want some help?
Yeah, I want to put a coin in there.
Okay.
Oh, do you have any?
Yeah. Be careful. Make a wish first. Make a wish. Okay. What do you don't have to tell us.
Look, there's coins.
And more plants to look at. Ooh.
There's a tree, girl.
I know. Look how cool that is. Look at all these plants.
Dad, there's a tree in here.
Wow, yeah.
There's a tree in here. Dripping water on me.
Dripping?
Hey, why are you dripping water?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's make videos. Make videos.
We are, right now. You're on camera. It's like cheers.
Oh.
Okay.
He's a rabbit.
You a rabbit.
What's your name again?
Jewel.
Jewel. How old is Jewel?
Jewel is
Nice to meet you.
almost 19 months old.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Nico.
Say hello.
Nico.
Kids.
Hi.
I love your name, Nico. Very nice to meet you.
So close saying bye-bye.
Up here. Oh, Nico, do you see the pandas? Do you like the pandas?
These are beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's up? It's your kid.
Where's the cafeteria? Where's the cafeteria?
There's a building over here. We could go look at it.
Okay.
You look over there.
Cafeteria.
He's hungry now. Ooh. Across the river? Yes. Then I crossed the river. He found something cool. Oh, is it a flapping machine? Oh my goodness.
You want to do it?
Oh my goodness.
You're making the butterflies fly, Nico. Let's say thank you for helping us. Thank you, Nico.
You like the Lantern Festival, Nico?
We're back where we started.
Back where we started. That was pretty cool, huh?
Oh. Real cars.
Yeah, those are old cars. Is that a Model 8? No, a Model, what is that? Yeah. They used to have Coca-Cola delivery at this place.
Why? Why they don't have it anymore? Why they don't have it anymore? Why they don't have it
Wow.
here anymore?
I don't think they had, well, the man who owned this place, he used to have a Coca-Cola delivery company. I don't know if it was at this building, but it was probably downtown. But he made a lot of money from delivering Coca-Cola.
Then he made up. And then he got
And he made a big, big garden.
and because of the Winter Festival.
Yes.
Why are you still in a Coca-Cola place?
Well, he had the first one in Alabama that had motorized trucks.
But why is it old, Dada?
Huh?
Why is it old? What's the old, Dada?
Well, it's history. It happened a long time ago.
Why?
Yeah, because things happened a long time ago.
What things happened?
I don't know. How's your muffin?
Good.
Is it chocolatey? Is that the best dinner you've had in recent history?
Ah.
Huh? What? Panda lantern? Is that what you're looking at? Yeah. That's a cool lantern. What? Me? The floor? The table? The floor? My shoes? The table legs?
Your feet.
My feet.
You have to.
Make these in our yard.
What a picture plant.
This is so fun.
What a picture plant.
Pitcher plants, they're carnivorous plants. You know how you learned about the Venus flytrap? Well, pitcher plants, they grow in our area in nature in like swampy places, and those are carnivorous plants too. They eat bugs and other things.
Where are bats coming out from?
I guess the bats are living in there, or maybe they're getting eaten. This is so cool.
Or actually traps them until they die, Mama.
Yeah, that's how those work. I guess those look like swamp sunflowers, but maybe they're just regular sunflowers.
Let's make.
Go
We
that
have to
way.
learn how to make these.
No, I want you to go that way.
I will. We're gonna make a little loop around here so we can see the stuff here too.
You gotta learn how to make these. I'll help.
I'll
Like
just
wireframed and
yeah,
what's-
fabric.
Okay, that's fabric.
Yeah. Do you see that big peacock? That's pretty cool. And a toucan. Do you see straight ahead up there? Do you see the toucan? It's moving.
There's on the trees. There's ones on the trees, Mama.
Yep. Do you remember when we came here before during Christmas and the lights were all on? Do you remember that? You do? I wonder if he does.
Are these real flowers?
It's pretty close now.
Oh, I hear some noise.
You hear noise? What do you hear? You hear birds?